Hey guys, so today is April 27th, 2019, and this is the weather in Chicago today. It is snowing. It's supposed to snow about 8 inches, more so towards like Lake County, DuPage County, which is like towards the south. So they're supposed to get more snow than we are, but towards O'Hare, the areas near O'Hare Airport is getting 8 inches of snow, and I think so far it's already snowed about 6 to 7 inches already. Yeah, so this is the situation in Chicago right now. It's almost May and we have snow in Chicago, Illinois. I guess, like they say, April powders bring May flowers. Yup. Alright, have a great weekend, everyone. Drive safe, be safe. Happy Saturday from Chicago, snowy Chicago.